In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with or how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes for any kind of reasons and how we can fix it. So first of all, if you're having this trouble, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to tap over here at the top. Now from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to the media and purchases and go for view account and give your face ID over here. It might ask in most cases. And right now afterwards we can see over here we have a lot of things and you have to tap on manage payments. And right now as you can see in the manage payments, if you have added any of the bank, for example any credit card and debit card details, you have to keep in mind one thing. The reason why this is getting disabled, maybe your credit card might be expired or some reasons, or the credit card address might be changed, or you might be moved to a new location but a credit card over here in the past location, the sense the address, the billing address might not be changed, or any reasons, or maybe the credit card or debit card might not have enough balance, and all those reasons are the reasons. So make sure you just need to do a cross check here if you're having a debit card or credit card. But if you're having any kind of things like UPI ID right now that is happening across the globe, if you're having any kind of thing, just make sure that you're connected to the bank properly. And once done, you just need to go back over here. You have to just go back. And once after it's been done, you just need to check whether you have any kind of subscription. So just tap on the subscription, and if you have any kind of subscriptions, if it's pending, it's not being debited, the reason is your account is having no balance or any kind of subscriptions are there. That is the reason. So either you can delete, what you need to do is you just need to pay over here, you have to renew the subscription, and also make sure over here all these things. This is the first and famous step you can try if you're having this issue. And once you're done with this one, still if you have the trouble, what you need to do is you just need to reset your password. So to do or reset a password, what you need to do, that is the easiest way to do, since we can just do like this. So go over here in the Safari or any kind of things, you just need to go over here. So you just need to go over here and just need to search here for I forgot Apple on a Google Chrome, and you'll be getting a site over here, that official site from Apple. You just need to tap on it, and what happens is here that's going to get in the page, and if you scroll it down a little bit, you can see there is an option for reset your password. So you just need to go over here, tap on it, that's going to get this, and go for reset my password. Then you can just give a new password and you can reset the password. That is how we can do it. And once you reset the password, and still if you're having the trouble, you can try one more thing. That is all about the third step. You just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now go to the profile over here at the top. You just need to tap on it. Now from here you have to scroll it down and you have to sign out and you have to sign it back. This might work as well, and you can check it out. And the fourth step is all about what you need to do is you're just giving a request to the the chat support. So what you need to do is you just need to go over here in the Safari, and it is the easiest way that you just need to go over here, search on a Google Chrome. So over here in the Google Chrome, you just need to type disable Apple account over here, and what you're trying to do is you just need to go over here, the first one, that about Apple support. You just need to tap on this, and that's going to do, they're going to give you some instructions what you have to do when you're having a trouble with this. And also over here at the bottom you can see either there is a request to reactivating your Apple ID, so you can just give it, and once afterwards, most probably any one of these might help in most cases, and this is what we have to do. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.